Greetings from Iceland. We are witnessing here a river, lava river, to break apart, and it's spilling here over to the side of Geldingadalur. Enormous amounts of lava just flowing here, as you see, towards the edges of Geldingadalur. Very strong wind, rain, conditions are deteriorating. Still some people here left on the hill. See at the scale of this flow, it's at least 200 meters wide. It's all coming from there, from nowhere, you know. It's just a lava ring, you know, bubbling lava ring, and I guess it's a lava tube breakout point. Lava is coming from the volcano through the tubes, or maybe it's independent vent, you know, some independent vent. We don't know. It's hard to say. Started to rain, heavy rain. Rain and wind. It's real Judgment Day. A real Yom Kippur. You know. It starts today at the sunset. Very bad smell coming from this lava. It's blown by the wind, I guess. It's not a very safe place to be because of the pollution, you know. So much hissing noise from the rain. Lava is making a sound, a hissing sound, when rain is hitting it. It's 1000 degrees hot. American couple got married here, as you see. It was a special day for them, I bet. We keep filming. I wish you all the best.